The process of a mining operation does not simply stop when the mineral resource has been exhausted. It must continue to ensure that the regional land is restored to its original state and guarantee that any possibility of contamination will be contained, thus begging the question, what really happens once a mine closes? When talking about mining operations, thinking about the associated environmental impacts they bring and the many ways these can be combated is of huge importance. Tackling these impacts takes place before, during, and after a mining project and is called reclamation. Reclamation is a process that mining companies are legally obligated to take part in to ensure both community safety and environmental protection. Taking preventative measures during the mining project is an essential part of the planning process. For example, possible methods of preventing acid mine drainage may include the flooding and sealing of exposed surfaces or backfilling to reduce acidity and prevent oxidation, and therefore the conditions that are necessary to form acid mine drainage. The reclamation process following mine enclosure typically involves reestablishing the local environment to what it was prior to mining and can be done in a number of ways. Slope stabilization and reestablishment of natural drainage paths are some of the first steps taken, as this eliminates the safety concern posed by open pit sites and restores the land to its original topography. Additionally, laying down a new layer of topsoil and the planting of native vegetation will help to re-establish local ecosystems and habitats that were once disturbed. Finally, continuous sampling and analysis of local surface and groundwaters to ensure any potential for water contamination is contained is essential and may take place for many years following mine closure. The overall goal of reclamation is to turn the land into something that is of social or environmental use, such as agriculture, recreation, conservation, or forestry. In Victoria, British Columbia, a large limestone quarry has been transformed into a beautiful botanical garden that has brought life to the community for over 100 years. Additionally, numerous initiatives and organizations based in the Appalachians have worked tirelessly to reforest old coal mines and deforested areas in the hopes of restoring the vast native forests that were once there. There have even been projects that transform closed mines into solar farms, such as the over 150,000 floating solar panels that were installed in Huainan, China, covering a former coal mine. This provides energy for around 200,000 people. We can see from these examples that, should mine sites be properly managed, monitored, and closed, the possibilities for remediation are innumerous, and they have the ability of turning what was once a destroyed piece of land to a space of societal and environmental importance.